Hello, Yuri, Akashi. Hello, Irvin. Anong meron dito? Something. Just me, myself, and I. If you have any questions for me, I'm going to answer anything you want. And I'm so sorry I don't co-host. People I don't know because I'm traumatized. Okay lang, Yuri. Ano ka ba? Charis. Ikaw ang melody. Yeah. Saang bansa to? The UAE. It's in UAE and I'm in Dubai. Bakit nasang bansa ka ba? Kung saang server ka na ba napunta? Permission to record? Of course. Why not? Ikaw ang melody. Ikaw ang melody. Melody. Di malimutang harmony. Harmony. Damdaming di ko nasabi. Nagsisising lubos ang aking kasam-kasam. Ang aking dibdib. Kaso yung save ko ng Ikaw Melody, parang tagal ko na siyang di nakita. May part-time ba dyan? Hindi ko po alam. Wala po akong kumpanya. Charis. Manifesting for ML48's 9th single. Yeah, sabay-sabay nating abangan. Super happy ako na naging general manager si Abby for ML48. So, alam na niya talaga yung good for the group. Hi, Stick Tack. Love you too. For anniversary edition of ML48 singles. Anniversary edition, what do you mean? Like, isang album na nandun lahat ng songs? Is that what you mean? Love you too. Sana magpunta sila dito. Hi, Space Angel. Probably. Sana bumalik ang theater. Yan ang i-wish nyo. Kasi sobrang saya ng theater shows, I swear. Miss you, Mars. Miss you.
กินมะเขือเทศอยู่หรือเปล่า ไดอารี่การผจญภัยของนาตินมาส่งนะ
Ang 5th anniversary third single na ML48 barely natuloy last year. Ano bang meron last year? Parang inaayos pa ata lahat last year eh. Well, Mia, wala naman ako masyadong balita din. Nakikibalita lang ako sa mga balita sa Twitter and everything. Yun doon lang ako nakikibalita ng mga ganap. Lalo na't busy ang buhay dito. Pero support pa rin naman ako sa girls, syempre. Nakita ko sa 48 Wiki website. isang all I wanna do is let you down and wanna kick it. Hi Neha, hello. So, kamusta naman ang buhay-buhay dyan, guys? Kamusta kayo? Like, ano na nangyayari? So, minsan na po akong updated sa mga nangyari sa MNL 48 ngayon. Gawa po ng pasukan. Pasukan na ba ulit sa Pinas? Wala na akong alam. Kasi June. Oo nga, June na. Sa June 16. Bumalik na ba yung timeline to June? Diba dati nag-start ata siya ng August, I think, or September, I don't know. Dahil nagkaroon ng K-12. May K-12 pa ba? Hindi ko alam nangyayari sa Pinas, guys. I'm so sorry. Hi. Ano yung yes? Dami kong tinanong eh. Timeline po. Bumalik na sa dati. Nice. Hello King 2025, why are you a little down? Long time no live at Grace. Kaya nga naging busy ako sa live, especially nung May. Grabe, sobrang busy ko sa buhay. Imagine papasok ka na umaga tapos sa gabi magsasayaw ka kasi may kalayaan. Tapos magko-content ka pa. Diyos ko, sobrang busy ko. Wala na akong time masyado nun kaya hindi ako nakakapag-live. I'm so sorry, but now I'm back. Claro. Hey Kim, hey Kim. Nahiming dapat mo nahin. Tama. Mas iniisip ko na po yung sarili ko ngayon kaysa sa mga pipa groups. Congratulations, Marius. Adulting na tayo. Tama. Eventually, it will just be a phase in our life, but it will be a very, very, very unforgettable phase, you know. Alam mo yung feeling ko na hindi ko feel na nagtatrabaho ako or what. I'm just doing what I want, what I love, what my passion is. Kaya sobrang dedicated ako dati. That fire, you know. How are you doing? Hi Aquarius, I'm good. How are you? Work well, Mars. Thanks. Trabaho, trabaho, trabaho. Tama. I need to pay my bills. I need to work, work, work. Aigam. 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 Magtatagalog ka. Sige, kausapin niyo yun siya, ha? Riz, pwede makinig ng favor? Yes, what do you want? My college is Philippines here. That's why I know that word. Your colleagues. Okay. Are you from Dubai also, Aquarius? Oh yeah, I can see it in your username. Anong ginagamit mo pang edit? CapCut. I just use CapCut, guys. It's very convenient and madali siyang gamitin. Magbablog na ako. Wow! Go! Congratulations! Gawin mo! Kati. Media City. It's good to be a fan of music groups, but only if you can handle them carefully. Well, yeah. Me, I'm still a fan, of course. Especially K-pop. Hindi na yata matatanggal yun. I love them. Working around the world, our company. What's your company? Hi, Ali Al-Khalufi. Thank you. Are you in real estate? E-commerce, because I am in a marketing company. Are also marketing as well. Where is your company? It's in Albarsha. Hi, dance lover. Good evening. I'm good. How are you? Yeah, it's near Media City. I'm around the insurance market. How much money do you make? Kaninong tanong yan? Sa akin ba o sa kanila? Yes, pag nag-upload ako sa YouTube, yes. How's going dance life? Good. We are actually preparing to join WSB. Where are you living? Albarsha. course, it's for you. Omi? That's a secret. Kailan uwi ko sa Pinas? I don't know, maybe hopefully next year. Hopefully. Gusto ko na rin magbakasyon. Nibsan, thank you so much. Hello, Nibsan. What's this league match that I'm seeing? Kapanood ako ng 48 sa SM Annex. Wow. Saan yung SM Annex? I'm a fan of your dance group. I am seeing your videos. Thank you for being a fan. Yeah, I know you are supporting us. Thank you, Dance Lover. First time ko sila makita after 6 years. Oh my gosh, ang tagal. Ganun ba kahaba yung hiatus? 6 years, so that would be like 2019. Active pa ako noon when I was still active. Have you seen me ever, Vic? North EDSA yun, sa SM North EDSA Annex. Sa SM North. Yeah, sa may gilid. Hindi mo nakakalimutan na yung mga bagay-bagay sa Pinas. Nakakaloka. I know you make money as much as how. No, it depends on the experience, my dear. If your dad has has more experience than me, then he must be having a lot, you know? I want to move Albarsha. What is the rent, partition, and parking? I don't know how much the partition with parking, but I guess for a one room, maybe the minimum would be 2K. Tapos pang K-pop yung voice ng mga senbatsers. Taray pang K-pop. Di pwede J-pop. J-pop yun ha. Thank you for your reply. You're welcome. Padal na alis na mi tapos na break ko. Nice to see you, Nivzen. Thank you for dropping by. And what about parking? I don't know about the parking. Maybe. No, I don't know. Hey Kim. Hey Kim. See my nails? It's not complete anymore. Oh my gosh. No. It should not be like this. Gusto ko pong makita yung mga ML48 members kasi sabi daw ng parents ko nang bata pa ako. Ilan ka na ba? 19 na panood ko yung MNL habang pinag-film na yung 365 days. Buhay ay aeroplanong papel, dala pang around to lumilipad. Oh, nakakamiss naman ang first gen. Oh my gosh. I would like to have some coffee with you if you never mind. Sorry, I'm not available. Maganda na ako kay Dion noon. Maganda talaga si Dion. Cutie pie yun eh. Lalo na in person. Sobrang cutie pie. Hi Khaled Didu. Don't be sad, Aquarius. I'm so sorry. I just don't have time. for that. Cute kaya. Yeah, cute. Siguro, I mean, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi nagiging active ulit yung mga MN loves. They thought that they were strangers. Ate Charm! Alo, alo, THEUND, alo.
จะมาเข้ากันได้หรือยังเนี่ย
Yawa. Bosh Cash, hello. Siyempre, Grace, hindi ka pwede magpatalo. Masunod yun ka. Ano ba? Bebe ko yun. THEUND, alo, alo. I need meet you, Me, I don't need. Aww. I always think about y'all when I'm feeling down. When you think of us, you feel up? THEUND, alo. Your job. Yeah, I'm in job. I'm working. THE. Sino ba talaga? Tao ng pachika de charang banjo. Alo, alo. THEUND, alo. Who is next to you? No one is next to me. Do you see someone next to me? She have boyfriend. Yes, it feels like you're hugging me even when I'm fast asleep. Congratulations. Buti hindi ka binabangungot. Chares. Na LSS tuloy ako sa alo-alo. Ate Charm, nandiyan ka pa ba? Alo, alo. THEUND, alo. Where is your boss? Behind me. That's my boss right there. Ta-da! Parang cafeteria. Grabe siya. They feel like ghosts. Who feels ghosts? Naranasan niyo na bang ma-sleep paralysis? Like, pagising nyo, I mean, feeling nyo gising kayo pero hindi pala. Naranasan nyo na ba yun? Okay, I'm 7. Later when he's not busy. No, Gangster Billa. I don't like when you are with somebody else, like when you invite some friend of yours. Gumising ako na nasasaktan. Ay, taray. Hi, SWAT. Thank you for the follow. Alo, alo. THEUND, alo. Cutie. Hello to in Dubai. Kamusta? Kamusta kayo dyan, mga Team Barangay Riga? Naglalay pa ba si G or hindi na? Hindi wala ako tinatanong mo. Hi, Muhammad Musa. Do you miss your blonde hair? Oh my gosh. Do you miss my blonde hair, guys? Do you miss it? Ate guys, kindat ka. Picturean kita. Charis. Ganun rin dapat. Gagsingan. Ano ba yun? Yung kay Alden Richard. Wait, ang bilis mo ate. Bagal naman. Bilis up mo. May nakita po sa audience ng Itbulaga na kamukha mo. Audience? Sino doon? Patayin ang picture. Sorry, I don't co-host. Saan ko na lang sa'yo, ate? Sige, go. IGX or FB ako. Kahit saan, kung saan ka masaya. T-H-E-U-N-T-E. Sige, go. What's the last time you know that you yeah, tomboy. Yeah, I'll be the tomboy. Boy. Ano sabi mo? Ugo na. T-H-U-N-D. Ano? Okay ka lang. Ano okay lang?
In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple read-more type of
Mag-send?
scheme.
Yes, why not? Hello, Josarte. Oo nga, Vic, okay lang. Okay, noted. Hello, hello, T-G-U-N-D-E, hello. Hi, Wasim. Yeah, Tom. Yeah, I'll be the Tom. This is my attitude. Yeah, I'll be the Tom. La 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 la. Okay guys, I'm gonna say bye-bye now because my phone is low. My phone's battery is low. Annyeonghaseyo. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining my live. Bye! Oops. Ay, mali pa yung napindot ni ate. Ano ba yan?